Welcome to 1883 Wildflower Drive, a beautifully renovated 4+1 bedroom brick home with 4 washrooms, situated within a family-minded neighborhood of Pickering's sought-after Amberlea community. The double-car garage features new doors, and gardens line the walkway to the covered double front entrance, which opens into a main level that is a showpiece of modern elegance. Upgraded polished floor tiles finish the foyer, as well as the laundry and powder rooms and the kitchen area, while pot lighting, crisp white trims, and a neutral decor enhance the natural brightness of the rooms. Columns grace the entry into the living room, which has a coffered ceiling with crown moldings and a modern light fixture. Its engineered hardwood flooring also seen in the main hall and the adjacent family room. Very generous in size, enhancing the family room's spaciousness is a vaulted ceiling above its 2 arched windows and its fireplace, which has a polished tile accent surround and a wood mantel shelf, while the wall cutouts here and in the living room further enhance the openness felt throughout this level. The timeless modern decor of the updated kitchen combines shades of white with stainless steel. This functional workspace showcasing quartz countertops and backsplashes with seating at the peninsula, cabinetry with upgraded hardware and valance lighting, as well as a stainless steel French door fridge, oven, double sink, and dishwasher. The sliding door walkout in the breakfast area has a transom and opens onto a cozy backyard deck ideal for year-round barbecuing. The rest of the yard fenced and ready to be transformed into a gardening and entertaining oasis. The main level also features 9-foot ceilings with upgraded lighting throughout, a double coat closet in the foyer, a vanity with a quartz counter in the updated powder room, and a laundry room with a washer and dryer plus cabinetry storage. And carrying to the upper level is an upgraded hardwood staircase with wrought iron pickets, an oversized window at its mid-landing, and illuminated from above by a modern light fixture. The upper level showcases engineered hardwood flooring throughout, 4 spacious and naturally bright bedrooms, all with upgraded light fixtures, and pot lighting in the hallway as well as in the 2 updated washrooms, both which have upgraded polished tiles finishing their floors and walls, and vanities with quartz counters, undermount basins, and modern vanity lighting. The 4th bedroom has a Palladian-style window with California shutters, a vaulted ceiling, and a double closet, with both the 2nd and the 3rd bedroom having double-sized closets with single doors. Fully renovated, the graciously sized master suite has a double-door entry, space for a sitting area, a large window with an east-facing exposure, and a walk-in closet. Its spa-like ensuite washroom additionally showcasing 2 corner windows and an oversized glass shower with a wall niche. The fully finished lower level brings added living and entertaining space to the home and features ample storage, a 3-piece washroom with ceramic flooring, a pedestal sink, and a glass shower, a recreation area with 2 sections that can be separated into distinct spaces for family and home office use, both with laminate flooring and pot lighting, as well as a good-sized bedroom with broadloom, pot lighting, and ample closet storage. A short walk to Altona Forest Public and St. Elizabeth Seton Catholic Elementary Schools, Summer Park, and the Altona Forest, and with Dunbarton High and St. Mary Catholic Secondary Schools, plus the Amberlea and Steeple Hill shopping centers just minutes away. This home is also just a short drive to the Pickering Town Centre Mall, the GO Station, and has easy access to Highway 401, as well as being close to the shopping, entertainment, and waterfront enjoyment of Pickering's beautiful Frenchman's Bay community along Lake Ontario. Thinking of selling or buying? Call Shiv Bansal at 647-523-8201.